Guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I have a exciting tutorial for you guys, and I'll be looking at how to on these devices. I have two devices here. I have the Samsung Galaxy S22 and I also have the Samsung Galaxy S24. Both great devices from Samsung, and this should also apply to the S25 as well. So of course the S24 being the newer of the devices here. I do not have a S25 on, but it should be similar. And of course, if you are intending to install a new SIM card, or of course, if you need to remove the SIM card and you're not familiar with the SIM tray, I'll show you what to do. And of course, this tutorial will help you as well to prevent damage to your device. Now, if you look very carefully here at the base of the device, you'll notice there is a SIM card tray. It is to the left of the device. And of course, if you check it out, you'll notice that here it shows that there is two holes. Now, the mistake could be made that you could easily cause a damage to your speaker. One is the speaker and one is the eject port. So what you want to do here is just follow along as I show you exactly what to do. I do hope this is clear enough that you can see it. I'll focus the camera. All right, so I'll show you exactly what's going on here. All right, and if you check out the S22 as well, you'll find that it's on the left again. And of course, Samsung has continued with the same design language. You can see the port right there at the left side. All right, so in case you're about to use this device, I'll show you what to do. So first of all, you need some tools. You're gonna get your SIM tool. All right, so this is your SIM card tool. It came with the device. Go do check in the original box that came with your device. If you do not have this, a standard paper clip will do. And of course, you need a fine metal that's very firm, and a paper clip I find that works fine. You should be able to find one of those around your home, so those will work. All right, so this is the key part of the video. As I said, one hole is your port for your speaker, and the other is for your SIM card eject tool. Now, this hole on this side here is where the tool will go. So you place the tool right here. You can tell because you can see the cutout for the SIM tray, and that's how I tell. This one over here is for the speaker. Do not place the tool into this port. It will damage your device and your speaker. Or I think it's a microphone that picks up your voice whenever you're speaking. All right, so you'll destroy the microphone here that picks up your voice when you're speaking. So do not insert it here, insert it over here. Now what you're gonna do is to place this in, you're gonna go straight in, keep it as straight as possible. Once you do, you're gonna push down. Now, do not be afraid to apply some force. So I'll make sure that you can see it. So as you can see there, let me just focus. And that's where you place it. All right, so you're gonna push down. And once you push down, it should eject like this, and it should come out. Notice here, that is the first hole to your left from your extreme left. All right, so you're gonna remove it. And there you go. This is the SIM tray. And of course, what you gotta do here is, as it relates to your SIM card, do notice the notch on your SIM card, and you're gonna follow the orientation. So the notch to the upper right, so you're gonna place your SIM on this tray here according to the orientation. And then of course, once you do with that notch or that cut off to this section, next you're gonna reinsert this with your SIM card. And once you do, you're just gonna place it back in, and it should be easy from there. All right, so let me demonstrate quickly here on the S24. Notice it's on this side, which is the right side this time. So that device before was the S22. Notice as well the section here. This is your mic. I'll try to focus it. This is your mic. So your mic, this time it's changed around a bit. But if you follow my guide by using the cutout for the SIM tray, here you'll notice it is right here. So we're gonna place this in. I'm gonna push this all the way in. Notice it ejects out. It comes right out. All right. This time I have a SIM card in. And as you can see here, you can tell the direction to place the SIM based on the notch. Notice the notch here that's cut off at the right ear. And of course, once you do, you place it in. You're going to fit it. Then you're going to place it back in. And there you go. It will go in flush. And that's it. So I'll end the tutorial here. I do hope this was helpful. And as always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. Saying bye until next time. Bye.